This video shows the setup of the Kara Printlett Cure and the application of the Kulza programs. Remove all included parts from the packing box. These are a Kara Printlett Cure, a USB stick containing the manual as a PDF document for installation on your PC, a USB connecting cable for updating the Kara Cure guide, 2 mains cables, one for Europe for 230 volts mains voltage, the second for USA and Japan for 120 and 100 volts mains voltage respectively, one pair of safety goggles. Please save the PDF of the manual on your PC before starting operation and read it through completely. Pay particular attention to the safety instructions, specifications and information contained. On the back of the Kara Printlett Cure is the mains connection including 2 fuses. Connect the unit here with the appropriate power cord and your mains power supply. There is also a USB port on the back of the Kara Printlett Cure. It is exclusively to be used for a Cure guide update and for service purposes. Now switch on the Kara Printlett Cure. You will find the switch on the front of the unit. The welcome text appears for about 3 seconds. If no selection is made via the lower buttons during this time, the selectable programs appear. When the setup button is selected, the parameters that can be changed are displayed and can be selected with the left arrow button. The right button under the pen symbol can be used to change the setting. In line 1 the language is selected. In line 2 the temperature can be set in degrees or Fahrenheit. In line 3, the button sounds are switched on or off. In line 4, the short form of the individual customer programs can be switched on above the programs. In line 5, all customer programs are reset to 0. This selection must be confirmed before use. Escape takes you back to the start screen. When info is selected on the start screen, information about the Kara Printlett Cure and the installed software is displayed. Pay particular attention to the version of the Kara Cure guide. The latest version should always be installed on your device. You can always find this on our Kulza homepage. You can find a video on how to install a Cure guide update on your Kara Printlett Cure on our YouTube channel. At the bottom left, information for the service technician can be viewed. Press Escape to return to the start screen. When selecting Test in the start screen, a test screen for the service technician is shown for 10 seconds. This area can be left by pressing any button. You are now in the main screen of the programs selection. The programs for light curing the Dyma print materials are pre-installed and are adapted via a Kara Cure guide update when new materials are added. The most recently used program is listed at the top. The buttons below the arrow symbols can be used to select between the programs. The parameters of the selected program are displayed in short form in the top line. After selecting the required program, you can confirm it by pressing the middle button. The display shows the polymerization duration, the light intensity and the polymerization temperature. The program can be started by pressing the middle button under the arrow. If the pause symbol appears in the middle instead of the arrow, the temperature in the chamber is still too high and must first cool down. Only after that should the object be placed in the chamber and the program started. In the first 15 seconds, the started program can be cancelled by pressing the middle button. After that, it runs through to the end. After activating the program, the curing chamber heats up. As soon as the required temperature is reached, the program starts automatically. In addition to pre-installed Kulza programs, it is possible to install individual programs. The programming and application is explained in a separate video.